Hello and welcome to the Manifestor's Circle. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the powerful concept of manifesting and how it can bring abundance and prosperity into your life. First, let's talk about what manifestation is. Simply put, manifestation is the process of bringing something into reality by focusing on it and believing that it will happen. When you manifest something, you are putting your intentions and desires out into the universe. And the universe responds by bringing that thing into your life, with you barely having to lift a finger. Now you might be wondering how this relates to wealth and prosperity. The truth is, manifesting can bring money into your life in ways you never would have expected, and many people have done just this. For example, have you ever heard of Helene Hadsell, the legendary contest queen? Helene won over 5,000 prizes in all sorts of competitions, from trips to even a house, simply by studying the law of attraction and the power of positive thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. This is just one example of how manifesting can bring abundance and prosperity into your life. When you focus on what you want and believe that it will happen, the universe will respond by bringing circumstances and opportunities your way that ally to that reality you desire. But manifesting isn't just about winning contests and sweepstakes. It's a powerful skill that can help you create the life of your dreams, including financial abundance. By focusing on what you want and believing that it will happen, you can create more money than you ever thought possible. How do you start manifesting wealth and prosperity? It's simple. Start by focusing on what you want. Set yourself a financial goal, whether it's an extra 1,000 or 1 million in your bank account. Once a day for 2 minutes, visualize and feel yourself living the life of your dreams with all the money you desire. Let yourself get lost in the feeling of financial abundance. After 2 minutes, completely let go and move on with your day. In the back of your mind, simply believe that it will happen with all of your heart. While you continue working towards the life of your dreams, you will begin to notice signs appearing that your manifestation is getting closer. Notice them, but do not stop and pay them too much attention. Simply rest assured that everything is working out in your favor behind the scenes. Continue this process, and I can almost guarantee that you will see significant financial changes begin to occur. Remember, manifesting is a powerful skill that can bring abundance and prosperity into your life. By knowing what you want, believing you will receive it, and letting go of how it comes to be, you can create the life of your dreams, including financial abundance. So start manifesting today, and watch as your life transforms in ways you've never thought possible.